Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset Xfinity router. If your Xfinity router isn't working properly, here's how to reset it. First, try a soft restart, which keeps your settings intact and usually fixes most connection issues. You can do this through the Xfinity app by going to the internet, troubleshoot, and selecting Restart Gateway. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Alternatively, unplug the power cable. Wait at least 60 seconds, then plug it back in and allow it to reconnect. If the problem persists, perform a factory reset. Find a small reset button on the back or bottom of your gateway. Press and hold it with a paper clip for about 10 to 15 seconds, then release. The router will reboot and return to its default settings, including Wi Fi name, password, and admin login. With these two methods, you can quickly restore your Xfinity router and get back online. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.